Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am unboxing the new vacuum cleaner. This is Roborock Qrevo Edge C vacuum cleaner, and I will be showing you what's inside the box. And this vacuum cleaner is currently on special in the market. In the end of the video I will be showing you the product features, what features it has, and also the special price which is currently available in Australia. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And if you have any question, just put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. So let me open the box. So these are the cleaning brushes. So this is safety guidelines and certification for the warranty purpose. And this is the vacuum cleaner. So this is a beautiful Roborock vacuum cleaner. So this is the power adapter and the power cord. So this is the charging dock, and you can fill up the water also for cleaning. So it can do dry as well as wet cleaning. See, these are the containers for water you need to put up. So the machine comes with the two cleaning mop pad. So this will be for the wet mopping. The machine comes with the quick start guide also for easy setup. The setup is very easy, but you can refer if you need to. So this was pretty much inside the box. So this is Roborock Qrevo Edge C vacuum cleaner, and these are the few features I will be mentioning: that dual anti-tangle system, hyper force suction power, flexi arm design, side brush and mop, dock self cleaning with hot water, and 75°C hot water mop wash, and reactive tech obstacle avoidance. And this is the vacuum cleaner, and this is the charging station they have provided, and plus this is the power cord. So this was pretty much inside the box. So let me set it up and then I will be showing you the working also. So here is the bag for dust collection, and on the top there is tray to fill up the water for wet cleaning, for mopping. And see, this is the charging point. So when the vacuum cleaner is finished with the battery, it will go automatically and connect to the dock for charging. See, it is detecting the obstacle and changing the path. So when the battery is finished, so it is returning to the dock. I will be showing you. So the dock is here, so it will be finding the path and go back to the dock for charging. See, as you can see, it is going back to the dock charging station. See, there is a so this is how it go back to the charging hub for charging. See, now it is charging. When it is fully charged, the light will be green. So this is the Roborock app. As you can see, it can map the whole of the house. So it is showing me the rooms also, living area in the blue and other thing. So different areas is marked in the different color. So you can either select to clean the whole house, or let's say if I'm selecting rooms, so it is now my dining area will be cleaned. So this is how it works. So the app is very good, and if you say full, then it will be cleaning the full house, so you can select that. So guys, let's talk about the features of this vacuum cleaner. So I am on a popular website which is jbhifi.com.au. It is a popular electronic stores in Australia, and this is Roborock Qrevo Edge C vacuum cleaner, and it comes in the white color. So first of all, you can see the pictures, few of the pictures. It will be showing you all the detailed product photographs, and it is on special. So the regular price is 2,199, but it is on a special price of $988, so which is a quite a good deal. And so it has a duo divide brush, so which is a good for hair removal, 100% hair removal, and 18,500 pa hyperforce suction power, which is quite a strong to pick up the thing for vacuum the house, so which is quite good. And multifunctional self-cleaning dock. So when it sucks, it automatically do the self-cleaning. And flexi arm, arc design, side brush, and edging mop system. So each mean it is when on the corners, and especially anything on the corner, it will be cleaning very nicely. And precise sense leader navigation and smart suggestion for no go zones, like you can define this is the area you don't need to go. So and it has a sensor, so if there is a stairs anything, it will not fall down, so it will sense automatically. So real time cleaning progress display, and smart plan technology, so you can define which area of the house you want to clean and all that. So this is the detailed specs features. So 10 mm mop lift. So as you can see, this is the height, width, depth, and the weight is 12.11 kilo, and which is quite a good, and it comes with the 2 years warranty, but you can get extra warranty also. So this is quite a good vacuum cleaner for a small to medium house. I hope guys you enjoy this video unboxing for this new product, and if you have any question, just put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. See you in another unboxing video. Thank you.